Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Square Dashboard detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type squareup.com and press enter. Once the Square website loads, look for the sign in button. The sign in button is typically located in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the sign in button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields to enter your email and password. Enter the email address you used to create your Square account. Next, move to the password field. Type in your password carefully. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your email and password, click the Sign In button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will gain access to your Square dashboard. Explore the various features available on the dashboard for managing your account. If you encounter any issues during login, check your internet connection. Ensure that you are entering the correct email and password. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Square support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.